So we're talking about image optimization. And in the previous lesson, we went over image formats and when to use JPEGs, GIF, PNG-8, or PNG-24. And again, we're using the option right now for optimization under File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. There's other ways to export images. However, I think when you're first starting out, this way is great because you can see how what options you change in this panel affect the outcome of the quality of the image. So there's one other part that I want to talk to you about, and that is image color. So web images are always saved in RGB color mode, which is red, green, and blue, because that's how screens see color. But there's one other option. They're called the color reduction algorithms. And you're only going to find color reduction algorithms under GIFs and PNG-8 images. So if you go to the GIF pull-down menu under Save for Web Legacy, you're going to notice that there's this option under the GIF and PNG-8 called colors. So what this is doing is it's reducing the amount of colors that are going to come through in your image. So this will, by reducing the colors, you reduce your image size, but you also reduce the quality. So for example, if I were to pick 2 colors from this color reduction algorithm, you'll see that in my color table, these are the 2 colors that they're choosing. It's choosing to bring it down to. So if I choose 64 colors, you'll see my file size is 272, which is a little bit bigger, and my color table is larger. So more information equals a larger file size. Again, if I go to 4, you'll see my GIF image is smaller, but the quality is really, really bad. Less colors. So there's that side of the colors. Let's bring it up to 64. And remember, it's not going to be great in a photograph. GIFs are not going to look great in a photograph. However, you can get away with GIFs if you use more colors, which increases your file size. So there's one other option is you have these color reduction algorithms too. So you have perceptual, selective, adaptive, and restrictive. So these color reduction algorithms are also going to change your color table and affect your image size. In your class notes, I've outlined the more specifics about these different reduction algorithms. But for right now, I also want you just to focus on how these do shift your image. So just really quick, let's cancel out of this photograph and let's move to our Roy Lichtenstein image and go File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. And let's go ahead and choose PNG-8 this time. And again, we've got our original file at 2.29 megs. We've got our PNG-8 example at 214K. And you have the color reduction algorithm. So you could bring it down to 142 by doing 32 colors. It still looks pretty good. The type is clear. You can change your reduction algorithm, and that's also going to affect your image size. So another layer to optimizing is being able to play around with the colors that are showing up in your final optimized image and also the reduction algorithms. So please keep all of these elements in mind when you're optimizing your image, and I'm going to be giving you goals to reduce these images in upcoming homework assignments to a certain size. So you want to be aware of what format you're using, what colors you're using to get the best outcome and size for your optimized image.